Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am rolling up in this video a little more jaded than I usually roll up in videos. I have a head cold. I've had it for like 3 weeks and it won't go away, so I'm gonna try not to snort and sniff through this video. Secondly, my box arrived late again. I have been an annual subscriber for years. There's no reason for me to be getting my box pretty much last. I had a couple summer and spring popped up early with all the annuals like normal, and I was like, hey, this is great. As a person, as a subscriber, I don't really care when it arrives as long as it arrives. But as an unboxer, it's really annoying when I have to feature my box last. Like, everybody's already talking about it, and like the party's already ending and I'm just now showing up. The third reason I'm jaded is I didn't like the add-ons this season. Like, I thought the add-ons were weak, they were scattered. I feel like FabFitFun's barely been hanging in there anyways. It's been a bit scattered. The last box, I'll link up here, was really good. It was a very redemptive box. So the box is $49.99 seasonally, meaning you get 4 times a year. I'm an annual subscriber, so I only pay $45 per box. And I get all of these perks. Perks include customizing the entire box, but the customizations were weak this time. Unlimited swap for credit. I don't use that ever. Early access to customize. I do that. I log in at the first possible so I can have the primo picks. Early access to add-on and edit sales. I do that as well when I'm added down because they do sell out quickly. Early shipping. That ain't been happening. And you can cancel anytime. Coupon code. I've got it linked below. If you want to try FabFitFun, use my link below. Here is the magazine on top that talks about all of the products that are inside. They have really cute articles, tips and tricks, other things to consider shopping for. Obviously, this is a super cute fall edition. I love all my fall boxes. Like, fall is the one time a year, and I guess winter too, that I feel like boxes can do no wrong. So I think that's another reason I'm like, come on, FabFitFun. I don't know. If you've gotten your box, which everybody has, so you probably have, tell me what you thought about yours. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What are your thoughts? We're gonna go through what I got in mine, and then either way, I would love to hear what you think about my box and or your own box. The first item I'm pulling out is an Our House candle, the Evergreen candle. I hope I can smell it. I'm so stopped up. I freaking love candles, so that is very exciting to see this guy. It's hot here in Texas, unfortunately, and the candle shipped beautifully without melting. Super appreciate that. It smells like evergreen and hot guy. That is absolutely an amazing smell. And it's chic. I love the simplicity of the candle holder. Okay. Wow. This is the candle. And I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I haven't burned it yet, but whoo-wee. That smells good. Really good. Okay. Okay. That's good. What is this? It's been so long since I made my selections, I can't even remember what I selected. I just remember walking away kind of ho-hum. The hip lunch bag rolls down and closes neatly, ideal for taking meals on the go. So it's a lunch box, lunch bag. Okay, yeah, so here you go. It's small, like you're not gonna fit much in there. You're definitely not, I mean, a sandwich, a bag of chips wouldn't fit. Maybe a sandwich and a small drink. That is a teeny tiny bag. I don't know that I would call this a lunch bag. I definitely do think I would call it a snack pack, or like if you're bringing crackers or a few items. Hand wash only, BPA free. It says it's 5 inches by 3.15 inches by 7 inches. So yeah, 3 by 5 by 7. That's a small bag. So I don't know. I don't know what I would do with that. Maybe on a picnic. We do a lot of picnics, but it's awfully small. Petty in a box, pumpkin spice. Oh yeah, I remember. So this is one of the items I chose. I love everything pumpkin spice, everything. These are little pedicures in a box. So like, this is salt soak. Then this is the sugar scrub. Then this is the mud mask. And then this is the massage butter. So it's 2 foot scrubs, 4 steps per foot scrub. Okay, I don't know why these don't make me excited. It feels like work. I don't know. You know how sometimes when you're like making selections, and I know that I do this, I actually had my husband come in and customize my box with me to make sure I like chose well. Then you get it in the mail and you're like, oh my gosh, it's so much better. That's what I secretly was hoping was happening. But so far, these are meh items, and this is a love item. That's what we'll do. We'll make a pile. That'll help me sort in my brain. Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. I do love these. I've used these before. I love these. These do work, and they're great. Definitely going in the love pile. With the customizations, if you are new here, I'll see if I can just pop up a photo right here or some information. You get a lot of different things to choose from. And as time has gone by, they've gotten more and more and more items to choose from. That part is kind of nice. Try Heineken 0.0, 0% alcohol, 100% taste. I'm guessing this is a free gift. Oh my gosh, that is really cute. I do not drink beer at all. It says it's Heineken alcohol free, but then it says you have to be over 21 to drink it. Well, I see absolutely nothing about this in the magazine. Weird. I don't know. It's a sample of some sort. Okay, next is the Chorus Santorini Grape Renewing Body Cleanser. So it's body soap. I chose this because I actually rarely get body soap in my subscription boxes. It is the one thing I consistently am like, why don't more boxes include it? So I opted in for this guy. Excited to give it a try. Okay, so this item here, I wasn't sure what to think. Part of me wants to love it, and part of me thinks it's too, I don't know, out there for my style. It is a fanny pack, but it's actually big. Like, it has space to carry stuff, which I am a mom, so that is really important to me, that there is enough space to actually carry my phone plus a few other things. It's obviously very chic, very cute. I think some people call them belt bags or waist bags now. It's a fanny pack. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like. I'm a really narrow hipped person, so sometimes when I put on a fanny pack that's too big, it like swallows me. Here we go. Let me pop a photo up here. What do y'all think? Is this a yes or a no on my body style? I would love to know if I should go out in public like this. Don't let me go out if I shouldn't. I'm gonna put this guy over in the yes pile because I actually was pretty excited about that. Then we have Restore by Dr. Rogers Lip Balm. Okay, always can use some lip balm. That's a good thing. And then last but not least is the item I chose because I had to choose my big item and I didn't like any of the big items. So I went with the item I hated the least, which was this frying pan. I'm not a big into cooking. I don't like random pots and pans because then they don't stack well or look good together. But I had to choose a big item, so I chose this. It's actually way smaller than I anticipated. It is really, really pretty though. Look at that wood handle and this pretty blue color. It's like really made to hold well, like it's fancy. It's like, I would call it an egg pan. Like this is something I'd pull out to like fry a single egg or to make an egg sandwich. But like you couldn't do too much more in it. It's by Phantom Chef. It's an 8-inch frying pan. And it has all of the fancy new things that pans come with nowadays. I don't know, this feels just so random to me. Like when I was going through, I'm like, what a random item. It doesn't seem very fall curated. And even just flipping through the magazine here, the first page is an ad. That's kind of disappointing. Like I don't want to open it. I already paid you for the box. I don't want to open it and see a big ad for Dove. There's the editor's note, which I always enjoy. Talks about what's in the box here and talks about how to get your refills and how you can boost the box. Basically all the ways you can spend more money on top of the money you already spent. And then it talks about your members' perks, how everything I just mentioned worked, like how you can get your refills on items like shampoos, conditioners, face washes, etc. I don't actually optimize any of those services, so that's kind of a wash for me as far as an annual member goes. What I think is interesting is here it talks about your membership, like the calendar in September and October of when they're having sales on products. So this is another page dedicated to selling more product. I have flipped how far in and I've gotten actual very little informational info like good articles, tips and tricks. I don't know why they're doing this. And I can't tell if maybe I'm just getting too many amazing subscription boxes now that my patience is wearing thin, or if FabFitFun's actually pivoting into a new direction that is no longer a match for me. I really would love to hear you guys' feedback, like what you guys are thinking in this. If you're newer to FabFitFun, do you feel the same way? Or is it still great, like you really enjoy it? Obviously the value is there at $45. That's the value of this waist bag alone, maybe even this pan. So to say I got the waist bag and the bath soap and the Our House candle and the eye things and the chapstick and the weird lunchbox and the weird pedicure stuff and the pan and the 21 plus non-alcoholic drink, that's a good value. That's non-debatable. But with so many good subscription boxes out there, is this where I really want my 50 bucks to go each season? Or maybe other boxes I could be looking into? Okay, finally, here's real information, like how to do exercises. Now, like, I don't have that jump rope, so that doesn't help me much, but there's real exercises and a real article about staying moving through the fall season. I love that. I love when they feature real people doing real things. Here's some recipes. Those are always fun. They include some great gluten-free tips, which is great for me. I don't know. Yeah, here's some more recipes. Oh yeah, I can already see there's a gluten-free recipe on this page. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Tell me. Tell me. If you want to give it a try, I can guarantee you the value is there. Go down below. You can sign up and check them out. The winter box will be popping up next. Hopefully you guys, I get that in a time that I can release it that's actually in a reasonable time frame so we can talk about this when it's popular. If I were to get rid of FabFitFun, what do I want to put in its place? What is that overall great, chic, women's lifestyle box that has a great value but cool products? Like, what would I go into? I'd love to hear that from you guys as well. I'm obviously all about the home decor boxes, and I subscribe to so many of those and I'm doing amazing things with those. Love my home decor. I've got a redhead subscription box that is so cute, curates things for redheads. I've got a lawn subscription box I love, yoga clubs, date nights. I feel like I've nailed out all these things, but I'm becoming disenchanted in the women's lifestyle category and I need to fix that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day. I hope my cold goes away soon so that when I see y'all later, I don't sound so nasally. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.